Hi everyone, welcome to ACE. I am Mallikarjun, faculty at ACE Engineering Academy. Now I am going to talk Mr. Sandeep. He got All India rank 46 in GATE 2026 Civil Engineering branch. So Sandeep, first of all, congratulations. And can you introduce yourself?
Sir, myself Boddu Sandeep. I am from Miryalguda. I graduated from IIT Indore. My parents do agriculture work, and my sister. I have one younger sister. She is doing MBBS.
Okay, very good. You done your BTech in IIT
Indore.
Indore.
Yes, sir.
So you passed out in
2024.
2024. After 2024, what you done?
After 2024, in May, my college completed. I came to Hyderabad and I joined in ACE Academy in June 2024.
Okay.
I joined classroom coaching for GATE and ESC batch.
Kotapet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, saw you in classroom.
Yes, sir.
And generally, as a faculty, when you will feel more happiness?
I feel happy when my students get good results and they are in higher position.
Yeah, I'm in same situation because you are my student, ACE Academy student.
Yes, sir.
So you got good rank. So I am one of the most happiest faculty in ACE Engineering Academy.
Thank you, sir.
So first of all, can you share your success journey with ACE Academy? How helped ACE Academy?
Yes, sir. I used to attend classroom lectures
Okay.
daily from June 2024. Classes starts daily from 7 to 1. And subject after subject, the hectic schedule. But in between, lecturers motivates us with the good subjects and also to go to higher positions and how to crack exams and those all. And after as the exam comes near, we used to write test series and those all. I took test series. Yes, sir. And in cracking this rank, ACE Academy lectures and those test series, those all helped me a lot in securing the All India 46 rank.
Okay, my question is, why we have to write the test series?
Sir, mainly time management.
Okay, very good.
And there are so many questions we can do in so many methods. But some particular question is allotted for some particular time only.
Yes.
In that time, we should complete that question. In GATE exam, there is 180 minutes only.
Yes.
So many methods, so much time is there, but we have to complete in least possible time. To habituate to that time, we need to write test series, and to reduce the mistakes, we need to write test series.
Yeah, if we do mistakes, then only we'll get the success, students. So without mistake, you won't get the success. So to face the failures, first you have to write the test series. As a faculty, my first suggestion to my student is write test series. So if you complete your syllabus, either 20%, 50%, whatever it is, if you write the test series, in test series, you know where you're doing mistakes. And same mistake you never repeat in GATE exam. Yes or no, Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
In test series, actually, in first test, I got 43 marks out of 100.
Out of 100, yes.
Now in GATE exam, my marks are 82.
82, yes.
Yes, sir.
So comparatively, GATE exam, test series questions are a little bit difficult, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then can you tell about, did you prepare any short notes?
Yes, sir. I prepared short notes.
Okay. How you prepared short notes?
Yes, sir. Actually, in classroom, in our main notes, there are examples and theory and those all. One complete book, we will get 200, 300 pages.
Yes.
For every subject, I reduced that to around 10 pages. For main subjects, around 10 pages, 15 pages.
What are the main subjects?
For our civil, main subjects are geotechnical, transportation, environmental, and SOM structural.
Generally, to get the GATE qualify marks,
yes,
if you concentrate on non-structures is sufficient, right? Generally.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then to get the good rank,
structural subjects
then
are very
subjects
important.
Also important.
Yes.
How you managed structures and non-structured subjects? Because most of time you spend at academy only, right?
Yes, sir.
Then after academy, can you tell your preparation strategy?
Actually, I joined in GATE, ESC plus GATE.
Okay. In ACE Academy, Kotapet.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In morning session, I used to have core civil engineering classes. Afternoon, I used to have general subjects. Yes. By 6 o'clock, classes are completed. After that, daily, while in initial stages, I used to give around only 3 hours, 4 hours,
Hmm.
because early morning class starts at 7 o'clock.
Hmm.
At that time, I used to revise daily notes, whatever teacher taught in the class.
Okay.
And related problems or solved example problems, those I used to do in initial stages.
Okay.
With previous, I try to do some PYQs, because
Okay.
I have limited time, 3 hours, 4 hours
Hmm.
at initial stages. After completion of classes, daily I used to keep one subject,
Hmm.
and I used to do previous year questions
Hmm.
and do test series.
Hmm.
For after each and every subjects, I used to do this. And for ESC PYQs also, ESC also same strategy I followed. ESC PYQs and test series.
How you managed GATE preparation and engineering service prelims preparation?
For ESC, theory is more important and
Yeah, that
conceptual
I want to
clarity
say.
is more important. For
But
GATE,
GATE is a
calculation.
numerical, na?
Yes, sir.
Then how you managed?
In lectures only, lecturers are used to taught how to balance both GATE and
Yeah,
ESC.
in classroom generally we use it to tell this
Yes,
thing.
sir. First, I after completion of mainly class notes is very important, sir.
Yeah, students listen. So GATE rank is saying ACE academic class notes generally is more sufficient.
60 to 70, more than almost 80% problems we can solve only through class notes.
Yes, yes.
But to avoid the mistakes in the exam,
Hmm.
we used to do questions.
Yes.
First, we know thoroughly we should read class notes.
Hmm.
After that, I used to do GATE first ESC PYQs.
Hmm.
From that, we will get conceptual clarity.
Hmm. Yes.
Small formulas problems, and those we can do in ESC prelims, but we get more conceptual clarity.
Hmm.
After that, I used to do GATE PYQs.
Okay.
Parallelly, I do both
GATE and ESC.
GATE and ESC PYQs.
Hmm.
After class notes, and after that, I do test series.
Morning you attended my mains classes, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you are preparing for IS mains exam.
Yes, sir.
Did you change your preparation strategy for mains?
Mainly the writing the answer is very important in mains.
Yes.
In GATE and ESC, we can write roughly and in whichever method we want.
Yes.
But in mains, we have to elaborate our answer. That each and every calculation we do, we should put on the paper.
Yes.
In mind calculation, those all don't work in the mains exam, because in answer on the paper, we have to show the whatever we are thinking and whatever how we got this step, everything we should elaborate.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I have to practice. I am practicing more on the mains questions, PYQs.
And Sandeep, already you done your BTech in IIT Indore, right?
Yes, sir.
Then will you do MTech?
No, sir. Already.
Then why you wrote a GATE exam?
I have to join in PSUs, sir.
PSUs, very good.
Yes,
which PSU?
National Highways.
National Highway.
Yes, sir.
Do you have, what is your ultimate goal?
Any central government job which core in core domain, I have to do one central government job. Sir, in civil engineering domain.
Okay, then with the GATE exam, with this rank you will select in PSU, right?
Yes, sir.
So again you are attending mains classes present.
Yes, sir.
So
I want to crack ESC also.
ESC also. So
Yes,
both you want.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then can you give any tips to your friends and for your upcoming juniors?
Attend lectures daily, each and every lecture. Don't
Yes.
skip any lecture. These are not important subjects.
Huh.
If you want to do any other preparation, it is very useful. Class notes and those lectures are very useful. Don't
Yes.
miss any lecture, whether it is important or not. If it is not important for GATE, it is important for ESC.
Yes.
It is important for PSC jobs.
Yes.
So attend each and every lecture, and after that, consistent preparation is required. Every day, minimum 2 hours, 3 hours. If you don't interest in on that day, you should do at least 2 hours, 3 hours.
Yes.
And prepare short notes. Suppose if GATE is there in 1 week, 1 week before, you can't revise all the main notes.
Yes.
You should do short notes. In short notes, you can revise each and every subject just in 2 hours or 3 hours maximum. And while doing a test series, you should maintain one mistake notes. I used to maintain one mistake notes. After, if I write test series for 3 hours, for almost 1 hour, 1.5 hour, I sit on the mistake on the day to write the mistakes only.
Okay.
From that we can learn where I did mistake. Some 2-3 questions in main gate exam, I realized that this question I have done mistake in test series.
Okay, you're saying you're talking about mistake now. Just I want to ask one question.
Yes sir.
So previously you got a gate rank 1100.
Yes sir.
Now you got 46 rank.
Yes sir.
Generally, most of persons will ask, what is your success mantra?
Yes.
But I'll say personally, without failure, generally we won't get the success, right? Can you tell about your failures before this 46 rank gate?
Before this 46 rank, last year I qualified. ESC prelims missed by 7 marks.
Yeah, where you done mistake? Is it a preparation strategy problem or a revision problem?
Number of revisions and tests. I didn't give in more tests last year.
Yes.
This year I started test series. Generally we are afraid of giving tests, whether
Okay.
maybe I will get less marks. Why should I? After
So you realized it.
yes sir. After revision we will do, after more revisions we will do test series. But if you do any number of times revision, there is 1% chance. If you do test series, drastically increase our marks
Yes.
with the test series, because we can realize where we are doing mistakes. In next test we don't do that mistake.
Yeah, I used to tell this is in class. If you do more mistakes in class, you never do mistake in actual exam.
Yes sir.
Okay, so for everyone, success mantra is first failures only. Face the failures, then you'll get the success. Then for this also you required hard work, right?
Yes sir.
So you are as a agriculture background.
Yes sir.
So I think you know little bit agriculture work also, I think.
Yes sir.
Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So you have a lot of hard work.
Yes sir.
So for GATE, only hard work is required?
No sir.
No.
Conceptual understanding is very important in GATE.
Okay.
To do the more, almost all 2 marks questions are, we have to apply the concept. But maybe 1 mark questions are directly formula. But conceptual understanding very much important in GATE.
And Sandeep, you done your BTech in IIT Indore.
Yes sir.
And after you taken coaching in ACE Academy.
Yes sir.
So IIT means already you have good subject knowledge.
Yes sir.
Did ACE Academy help more than IIT Indore?
Yes sir. Actually, starting I used to think from ACE Academy starts every subject from scratch. If anybody know, if a student knows nothing, and if he join in ACE from scratch, lectures will start from scratch.
Yes.
I used to get bored for some subjects starting. But at advanced level, I didn't study those advanced topics also.
Achha, okay.
At that time I am got more interest. So starting from scratch, they start the subject and they take up to advanced level.
Okay, faculty taught only concept or in shortcuts?
Yes sir, shortcuts also sir.
Yeah,
so
because
many shortcuts.
for GATE, shortcuts are very important, right?
Yes sir.
So because time management also important. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you follow only continuous concepts, rigorous numerical questions, then waste of time, right?
Yes sir.
Yes
For
or no?
different prelims, for different strategy, and GATE for different strategy.
Did you find this type of shortcuts in any textbooks?
No sir.
No.
Yes.
Okay, then finally, if anyone want to start GATE preparation,
Yes,
for
sir.
GATE 2027,
Yes sir.
if we don't have any technical knowledge,
Yes sir.
so what is your suggestion?
Starting, if you are in college, start from more weighted subjects and take an online course or join. If you are done BTech, join in, means I suggest ACE Academy, because if you want to crack GATE, whatever required for GATE, suppose extra topics, they actually lectures don't tell extra whatever this much, so many concepts, whatever required for GATE, they tell only that much.
Yes.
If you want to crack only GATE,
Yes.
that much subject you required, they will deliver that much subject only. Whatever subject you require for GATE, only if you want to crack GATE, join ACE Academy, you can crack GATE.
So thank you, Sandeep. So once again, congratulations and all the best for your future goals.
Thank you sir.
So thank you, friends.